What's up, Poke viewers? It's me, Poke Lector. I know you guys probably don't know me yet because, I'm new from YouTube. But my name is Poke Lector. So today, I'm going to show you guys how to check if your Pokemon card is fake. So you see, I got a Pokemon card that is fake here. It's a Glaceon. And I got a real card. Oh, this one's fake also. Where is it? Let me right back. This is an Espeon, a real one. And you can already see the difference. This one's kind of light, glowing, like that. And this one, it's not. And also you can check if your Pokemon is fake by seeing if it has a yellow, like here. I don't know if that's a. Never mind. Next step is flexibility. And you see this? If you do this, it doesn't get damaged so easily. But if you do this, it will get damaged. That's why it's fake. And this one, the real one, and if you do this, it will already get damaged. See? The next one, if you look at the back of your cards, you will see a perfect cut. This is the Espeon, the real one. That's why it has a perfect cut. And this one, the Glaceon, the fake card, it doesn't have a perfect cut. You can already see. So that's all for now, guys.